Hello and welcome to Learn Chivabwe. Today we're going to be learning about the variant S. This is the base character for S, and this is the variant for S. In Chivabwe, the term variant refers to another way to write a character, but only when it is added onto a base character. And variants have specific forms which are used on specific base characters. And today we're going to be showing you how to write or how to use the variant S on base characters. Now, the variant S can only be used on a handful of characters, that being A, N, and T. For the first example, we're going to be using A. To add the variant S on A, we will add S onto the bottom right of the letter A, like so. Now that we've added S onto the base character A, let's add an I, as we will do for all the other characters we use in this example. We add it here. Now this represents the character asi. Now that we've added S onto the base character A, it's time to explore how we write S on the base characters N and T. On N, we add the S variant here. And now let's add I. Now we have the sound nsi. And next, T. We add the S variant here, at the bottom, just like for A and N. Now let's add an I. And now we have the sound T. And if we remove the S variant from the base characters N and T, starting off with N, we will have ni. And for T, we will have T. And there you have it. We have an explanation of how to use the variant S on the base characters A, N, and T.